How to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can edit a shortcut that you've created on Snapchat. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. To edit a shortcut on Snapchat, what you have to do is just launch the Snapchat application here and go about taking a certain snap and anything. Don't worry because we're not going to send this to anyone, and we'll go to send to button. Now when we go to send it to, we might have created shortcuts in the past. If you haven't created, you can basically tap on this plus icon here to choose an emoji for your shortcut. So once done, you've added certain people to these shortcuts over here by tapping on create shortcut. Now we want to edit that shortcut. So to edit that shortcut, tap on that very shortcut again. Then we can choose to add or remove people to this shortcut. So we can select this and we can choose to remove people from here, or we can choose to add more people to these particular shortcuts. And this way we can simply edit the shortcuts on your Snapchat. Whenever you're trying to send a snap, go ahead and select that shortcut. And meanwhile, you can add more people to these shortcuts, or you can also remove people from these shortcuts. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.